We are at the Hardscape show, HNA, in Louisville, Kentucky.
I think this is the highlight of my show.
That's a hell of a device.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Hey, Mike, come here. Check this thing out. Let him do a demonstration for you.
So this is Moasure 1. So in here we've got motion sensors, so accelerometers and gyroscopes, and we can plot your movement in 3D.
There's no GPS and there's no Wi-Fi.
You can be in a cave underground, don't need line of sight or cell reception.
All it is Bluetooth from that to the phone.
So wherever I move it to, it's going to measure and draw a straight line. You'll see it draw there.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Yeah, and then exactly.
How's it do elevation too?
Yeah.
So if I head over to that stool there, we can capture that change in elevation.
That's the bomb.
So far we've only captured straight lines, but we can also capture curves as well.
I can change that to trace, and I can follow that shape.
Get out of here.
Yeah?
Look at it on there. Watch it. Look at that.
It's freaking hard to measure a curvy like landscape bed, like the square footage.
Oh, you got to rough it.
Yeah, you can't
Exactly.
get it perfect.
So I've done this odd shape, and then if I go 3D,
That point there, 1'6" is the height of the little stool I went up to.
Oh, okay.
I bought one. There's pictures that I've taken.
Shit.
Worth every dollar.
No more wheel. Absolutely.
so in the time we've walked around, we've drawn it, measured it, got the angles, the distances, and the elevation.
We get the linear feet, and then we get the square footage as well.
I can touch a point, I can sit cross-section, I can touch any other point, I can give you the rise and run between any of the 2 points.
Holy
Wow, that's awesome.
Think about that with stocks.
I know, yeah.
What is the monthly?
No monthly, that's it.
Just initial investment and that's it.
That's it. And then the app is free.
Is the app something that you get like update every once in a while?
Absolutely, yeah. So we're always updating things.
I first heard about Moasure when it first came out. It was good then, and every year they seem to make improvements on it where it just gets better and better and better.
That's awesome. Does this upload into a software or anything?
Yeah, absolutely. So if we go File, Export,
We can have a DXF, which goes into CAD programs, CSV, which is the raw coordinate data, even like a PDF. Send that straight to the customer or back to the office.
And that's awesome.
Thank you. Thanks for listening.
Very nice.
I thought it was too good to be true, but this is legit.
Is it Moasure or Moasure?
Moasure. Motion and measure slammed together.